All right, hi you guys. This video is problem number 5 from our notes today on logs and their derivatives. So when we talked about this in class, one of the things we always want to realize is what is the big picture for this. So if you notice, we have the function x squared and we have the function natural log of 3x. Now if you look at this, what you need to realize, when we have two functions next to each other, what does it imply? Multiplying, which means the big picture is the product rule. So we need to identify its parts. And if you recall, we're going to have a left and we are going to have a right. So we are going to need the left function, the x squared, and its derivative, 2x. And then we're going to have the right function, which is the natural log of 3x. And then the right derivative, we are going to be using the natural log rule. And what do we need for that? We would need the g of x, which is going to be that 3x, and then its derivative is the 3. So then we're going to turn around and write the derivative of the right using our natural log rule. We would have 1 over the g of x times the derivative of g of x, which is just 3. We clean this up. We're going to have 3 over 3x. Those 3's go to 1. We have 1 over x. So now we have the different pieces for the big picture of product rule, and we're going to put these together. So we're going to have the derivative of y. And again, let's just go ahead and write this out. Left times derivative of right plus right times derivative of left. So our left is the x squared. The derivative of the right is this 1 over x. And then we have the right, which is the natural log with the argument of 3x. And then the derivative of the left is that 2x. So let's go ahead and simplify what we can. We have an x squared over x. I'm going to turn around and write that 2x in front. So the argument becomes a little bit more clear. If you take how that simplifies down, x squared over x, we're left with an x. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this in the next step right away. Does everybody see how we have a GCF of an x there? That is going to be in front. When I have an x and a GCF of an x, you got to remember to write that 1. And then we have 2 natural log of 3x. And that would be the final answer. So again, you guys, if you have questions, be sure and drop me an email and we can set up a Zoom. Or if you'd like, you're welcome to go to the Math Resource Center. See you next time.